So, sorry this video took so long to get posted or uploaded, but I ran into some issues with the exhaust fitment, and then I ran into some issues with the catalytic converter. It wasn't quite in the best shape, and it was leaking pretty bad, so my exhaust wasn't getting the sound it needed to, but a buddy helped me out, and we got it all welded up and fixed and all that. So let me just redo a little cap on this, so it's all good there. It's fitting right now. We had to extend out the pipe with the catalytic converter to get it all to fit right, but now it's there. It rattles a little bit. Ugh. I'm not sure where it's rattling a lot. Not quite too sure, but it's all good. It's all fitting how it should. And this is, again, the gunmetal black catback from God Snow. The seller was Mirage Power on eBay. Got all those fitting right how they should now. They're not stretched out anymore, all the hangers, and it's now actually sticking out somewhat in the back. And as you can see, the God Snow is now visible. So let's do the sound test and let you hear how this $109 eBay exhaust sounds. Don't sound too bad. I'm pretty sure I got a little bit of black smoke coming out, but not too much to worry about there. Other than that, got it all hooked up. I like the sound of it at idle. It's a pretty low rumble. It's in the high range. It's a little ricey, but it's not extremely ricey, so I can deal with it. I'm not really big into the full-on fart can sound. I prefer to have a lower rumble exhaust. But with a 4-cylinder single banger, what can you do with it besides have a little bit of rice coming out of it? But that concludes the full exhaust on the 97 Civic Coupe EX catback exhaust from eBay. Thank you for watching.